To our top story this morning, actor Ananya Pandey is going to be grilled by the Narcotics Control Bureau for the third time at 11 a.m. today. Actor Chunky Pandey's daughter is now facing the drug control body's heat over her alleged drug chats with Aryan Khan that date back to 2018-2019. Sources claim that Aryan had allegedly asked Ananya to arrange ganja, to which she agreed. Ananya was summoned twice last week on 21st and 22nd of October for questioning and was grilled by the officials for over 2 to 4 hours on both the days. The NCB has questioned Ananya over drug consumption and source of procuring those drugs. She was also questioned about the kind of drugs that were consumed by Aryan. As per sources, Pandey told NCB officials that she did not remember details about the chats. She denied consuming any drugs and claimed that whatever communication that she has was about cigarettes. Last week, the drug control body conducted raids at Ananya's house and seized her phone, laptop, digital devices. Let's take this across to my colleague Akshita Nandagopal now. She's standing by to tell us why NCB is grilling Ananya Pandey. Over to you, Akshita.
Let's get you details of exactly how the questioning has gone so far of actor Ananya Pandey. The NCB has put forth a number of questions based on WhatsApp chats between Aryan and Ananya. So they asked her if she's ever consumed drugs with Aryan, to which Ananya responded that she's never purchased, supplied or consumed drugs. Another question that the Narcotics Control Bureau put forth is who did Aryan, her friend, procure drugs from? And Ananya in response said that she's not involved in buying narcotics and had no clue about Aryan's habits. The NCB also asked what in fact kind of drugs was Aryan consuming, and she said that as far as the WhatsApp chats between her and Aryan are concerned about drugs, they were referring to cigarettes, not weed, so she has no clue about Aryan and what kind of drugs he consumed. The NCB also asked her what kind of drugs she's consumed. She's saying that she's never consumed drugs and that she did not know that weed is a drug.
Ananya's name emerged after NCB analysed Aryan Khan's WhatsApp chats. In the communication that dates back 2018-2019, Aryan allegedly asked Ananya to arrange some weed, to which Ananya agreed. Here's more on Ananya's grilling so far.
Ananya Pandey, a rising Bollywood star, a beloved star kid, and a close friend of Aryan Khan. A near-perfect life jarred in the last few days after the NCB linked her to Aryan Khan drug case. On Thursday and Friday, the 23-year-old spent several hours in the Narcotics Control Bureau's office in the Fort area of Mumbai, answering tough questions thrown by NCB officers. On both days, her actor father Chunky Pandey came along to give moral support to his daughter, facing the biggest challenge in her life. Ananya has come under the glare of the NCB after her name popped up in chats on Aryan's phone. NCB sources claim that in the chats, Aryan asked Ananya to get ganja for him, and she said she would arrange it. According to NCB, Aryan also gave the number of a drug peddler to Ananya for the procurement. The actor denied that she used drugs and said she had no involvement in buying narcotic. Asked to explain the chats, Ananya said it was all a joke. The NCB has shifted focus from Aryan to those whose name have come up on his WhatsApp chats. The probe agency has now summoned Ananya again on Monday. Bureau Report, India Today.
NCB Zonal Director Samir Wankhede reportedly reprimanded Ananya Pandey on Friday for arriving at the agency's office 3 hours later than appointed time. Wankhede told Ananya Pandey that NCB is not a production house but office of the central agency. Here is more.
Thursday, October 21st. Bollywood actor Ananya Pandey, summoned by the Narcotics Control Bureau, asked to appear at 2 p.m. At 4 p.m, after a 2-hour delay, Ananya Pandey finally arrived for questioning. Ananya! She left the NCB office at around 6 p.m. The actor was questioned by the NCB in connection with the Aryan Khan drug case and summoned again. Friday, October 22nd, Ananya Pandey asked to appear before the agency at 11 a.m. Post 2 p.m., after over a 3-hour delay, Ananya arrived for questioning and was grilled for nearly 4 hours. Overall, the 22-year-old kept NCB officials waiting for nearly 5 hours in a span of 48 hours. NCB officials were reportedly not thrilled. NCB Zonal Director Samir Wankhede in particular gave Ananya a dressing down. Samir Wankhede reportedly reprimanded the actress for arriving late. According to sources, Wankhede on Friday reminded Ananya Pandey that she was 3 hours late when she walked in for questioning, adding that officers are not sitting there waiting for her to appear. He reportedly told Ananya that the NCB was not her production house, but the office of a central agency. He told the young actress next time she was summoned, she should reach the agency's office on time without any delay. Ananya Pandey has now been summoned for the 3rd time in the case on Monday. The big question is, will she be fashionably late or will she show up on time? And it's high time that she did. Bureau Report, India Today.
Amidst the debate over arresting people with small possession of drugs, the Ministry of Social Justice has made some suggestions now. The ministry has sought decriminalizing possession of small quantities of drugs for personal consumption. It has also suggested to review the Narcotics, Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Act and recommended to adopt more humane approach and avoid prison for drug users and addicts. The ministry has also instead suggested that drug users should be treated as victims and should be referred for de-addiction and rehabilitation and not sentenced to jail. In India, the possession of drugs is a criminal offence and Section 27 of the NDPS Act prescribes imprisonment for up to a year or a fine of 20,000 rupees or both. Actor Shah Rukh Khan's son, Aryan Khan, has been arrested under this section. After that extortion bombshell dropped by witness in cruise drug bust case against the Narco Bureau, Zonal Director of NCB's Mumbai unit, Samir Wankhede, has written to Mumbai Police Commissioner fearing he might be framed by powerful people. The NCB Mumbai chief urged the Mumbai top cops not to take any coercive action like arresting him. In the letter, Wankhede claimed that he has learnt about unknown persons planning to frame him falsely. He added that he has been issued threat of jail and dismissal by highly respectable public functionaries, a veiled reference to leaders like Maharashtra Minister Nawab Malik. This comes in the midst of an independent witness in the case, Prabhakar Sale, alleging that 25 crore rupees was demanded on behalf of Wankhede to let off Shah Rukh Khan's son Aryan Khan. He also alleged that he was made to sign on blank papers and claimed he feared for his life. NCB, meanwhile, has issued a statement saying Samir Wankhede has categorically denied allegations, asked the witnesses to submit his prayer in court rather than through social media.
मूवमेंट को फॉलो कर रहे हैं सर, क्या कहना चाहेंगे? देखिए ये एक मिनट I cannot comment on anything. I'm sorry.
A big twist in Aryan Khan drug case. KP Gosavi, the man who took a selfie with Aryan Khan, and the role of NCB is in the spotlight. Gosavi's aide, who is also the witness number 1, has made some startling allegations and claims. He has said that he was made to sign blank papers as punch and even said he feels threat to life from Samir Wankhede. Take a look.
Mega face-off and fresh twist in Aryan Khan drug bust case. Explosive allegations of extortion bid and witness fixing. Prabhakar Sale, who is a former bodyguard of KP Gosavi, also a witness in Aryan drug case, exclusively told India Today that Gosavi sought a bribe of 25 crore rupees on behalf of NCB Mumbai chief Samir Wankhede to let off Aryan Khan. He added that Gosavi and one Sam met SRK's manager Pooja Dadlani to demand bribe and agreed to settle for 18 crores, out of which 8 crore rupees would have gone to Wankhede.
गाड़ी में इतना ही चल रहा था कि 25 का बॉन्ड डाल, लास्ट 18 में फाइनल कर, 8 अपने को वानखेड़े को देना है, 10 अपने को बांट लेना है करके।
अच्छा 25 मतलब क्या? 25 लाख कितना?
25 CR
25 करोड़ रुपया। क्या 25 करोड़ का बॉम्ब डालो? क्या बोला उन्होंने?
हाँ बॉन्ड डाल, लास्ट 18 तक फाइनल कर, 8 वानखेड़े साहब को देना है, बाकी का हम लोग को रखना है।
वानखेड़े साहब मतलब समीर वानखेड़े। ये किससे बात कर रहे थे?
ये सैम से बात कर रहा था।
Prabhakar also shared a recorded video clip where Gosavi is seen holding a phone on speaker mode and making Aryan speak to someone.
यही है केपी गोसावी आपके साथ में, वो आर्यन खान को किसी के बात करवा रहे हैं, शायद स्पीकर पे फोन है। किसके साथ बात कर रहे थे, सुन पाए आप?
नहीं
क्या बातचीत, अंदाजा है कुछ क्या बात हो रही थी?
कुछ भी नहीं, क्या आइडिया लगा सकता है? यहाँ से अगर मैं 10 फीट के दूरी से मैं अगर वीडियो निकल रहा हूँ और वो धीरे से अगर बात करें तो कैसे समझ में आएगा?
Sameer Wankhede spoke to India Today and called the charges sad and deplorable and promised a fitting reply. NCB came out saying the witness should have moved court with his prayer as matter is sub judice.
क्या 25 करोड़ का बॉम्ब डालो? क्या बोला उन्होंने?
बॉन्ड डाल।
The explosive extortion claims putting a shadow over the Aryan drug bust and raising key questions on the case.
The sensational allegations by Prabhakar Sahil has led to several questions. Question number 1. The NCB claims that Kiran Gosavi was an independent witness. Then how did he get access to the raid and even to Aryan Khan? Question number 2. Why was Prabhakar Sahil as a witness made to sign a blank Panchanama? Question number 3. Whom was Aryan Khan speaking to on Gosavi's phone? What was the conversation about? And question number 4. Who is this person called Sam who was present during that alleged meeting between Pooja Dadlani and KP Gosavi? With camera person Mangesh Amre, Kamlesh Sutar in Mumbai for India Today.
No end to the NCP versus the NCB, that is Narcotics Control Bureau face-off in Maharashtra. NCP leader Sanjay Raut has tweeted a video in which NCB witness KP Gosavi can be seen holding a phone that appears to be on speaker mode. He's seen getting Aryan Khan to speak to someone. Shiv Sena leader said that witness in Aryan Khan case was made to sign on blank paper by the NCB. Here is more.
The bombshell by Aryan case punch. Key witness alleging extortion bid by Sameer Wankhede. Triggering a fresh political face-off in Maharashtra. Giving the ruling Aghadi government fresh ammunition to target the NCB. Shiv Sena joining in ally NCP in its chorus against the Narcotics Control Bureau.
एनसीबी की जो कार्रवाई हो रही है वो महाराष्ट्र को बदनाम करने के लिए उनकी एक्शन हो रही है। जैसे कि महाराष्ट्र में घर घर में अफू चरस डालने की खेती हो रही है, उसके ऊपर जो एक्शन हो उसमें एक्सटॉर्शन का एक मामला सामने आया, कुछ करोड़ रुपए का उसमें पैसे की लेन देन हो गई है। अगर ये है तो महाराष्ट्र सरकार ने सो मोटो एक्शन लेने चाहिए।
This video purportedly showing NCB witnesses KP Gosavi holding a phone which appears to be on speaker mode, getting Aryan to speak to someone, putting fuel in the fire. Shiv Sena MP Sanjay Raut tweeted the clip of Gosavi and Aryan after arrest, echoing CM Uddhav Thackeray's claim that there is a plot to defame Maharashtra using Narcotics Bureau.
आणि ते पकडणारे सुद्धा विशेष टीम तीच ते काम करू शकते असं नाहीये। आपल्या मुंबईमध्ये सुद्धा महाराष्ट्र पोलिसांनी मुंबई पोलिसांनी 4 दिवसापूर्वी साधारणतः 25 कोटीचं हेरोईन पकडलेलं आहे। हेरोईन नाही।
Aghadi ally and NCP minister Nawab Malik also hit out at the Narco Bureau.
समीर वानखेड़े जब से इस विभाग में आए उन्होंने फिल्म इंडस्ट्री को टारगेट किया। महाराष्ट्र की सरकार को बदनाम करने का उद्देश्य था। फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में डर पैदा हो, बड़े लोगों में शहर में डर पैदा हो और वसूली की जाए, ये पहले दिन से हम कह रहे थे।
The BJP, however, defended the Narcotics Bureau, and asked Aghadi parties not to defame the Central Anti-Drug Agency.
महाराष्ट्र सरकार के एक के बाद एक मंत्री पत्रकार वार्ता लेकर के एनसीबी को बदनाम कर रहे हैं। खुद तो कार्रवाई नहीं करेंगे, पर जो एनसीबी कार्रवाई कर रही है उस पर ये महाराष्ट्र सरकार का अड़िग बनने का क्या कारण है?
The NCB versus NCP face-off has dragged on for days, forcing the NCB zonal chief Sameer Wankhede and his family to respond to the ruling NCP on several occasions.
एनसीबी जो भी काम कर रही है इस शहर में कहीं ना कहीं फिक्शन है, तय करके कुछ लोगों को फंसाया जाता है।
जिन्होंने भी ये काम किया है, जिनको उनको काफी पुख्ता सबूत कोई चीज का मिला नहीं, तो बहू और बेटियों को ट्रोल करने निकल गए।
Is Aryan Khan's arrest totally political now?
Shiv Sena has asked for Home Department to intervene in the corruption allegations made against Narcotics Bureau. BJP has defended it, saying that Aghadi government is targeting Sameer Wankhede, and hence these allegations are now propping up after 20 days of the case. With camera person Swaraj, Mustafa Sheikh for India Today.
Let's bring you the key characters in the Aryan Khan drug bust case. Aryan Khan's SRK son lodged in Mumbai jail, and the key characters are here. Aryan Khan, Shah Rukh Khan's son, lodged in Mumbai's Arthur Road jail, as you already know. Then you've got Ananya Pandey right here, grilled by the NCB over her drug chats, after which comes KP Gosavi. He is an independent witness, allegedly sought 25 crore rupees from Shah Rukh Khan. This is KP Gosavi, the very murky allegations coming in against him. Then there is Pooja Dadlani, Shah Rukh Khan's manager. Allegedly, she ended up meeting KP Gosavi. That's an allegation right there. Then there is Prabhakar Sale. He's a witness. He claims Wankhede, that is Sameer Wankhede's extortion bid. Then, of course, you've got Sameer Wankhede, the NCB zonal director. He's heading the entire probe, and he's now at the center of this entire controversy, given the spate of allegations that are being made against him as well.